Developing a study plan for test preparation. A game changer in learning English. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into a very special topic within the realm of test preparation techniques. We're focusing on developing a study plan for test preparation. Trust me, having a well-crafted study plan can be a game changer in your English language learning journey, especially when you're gearing up for an important test. So, let's get started. Having a study plan is like having a roadmap for your journey. Without it, you could get lost or waste time going in the wrong direction. A study plan can help you organize your time efficiently, identify your strengths and weaknesses, keep track of your progress, reduce stress by ensuring that you're adequately prepared. Creating a study plan is not rocket science, but it does need a bit of effort. Here are the steps to guide you. Step 1. Assess your current level. Before starting, you should know where you stand. Take a diagnostic test or self-assess your language skills to know your strengths and weaknesses. Step 2. Set specific goals. Define what you aim to achieve by the end of your study plan. It could be a specific test score or mastering certain skills like vocabulary or grammar. Step 3. Break down the material. Divide the subject matter into manageable chunks. It could be based on chapters, topics, or skills like listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Step 4. Prioritize. Some topics will require more time and focus. Make sure to allocate more time to your weaknesses. Step 5. Allocate time. Decide how many hours or minutes each day you will dedicate to your study plan. Be realistic, and try to stick to it. Step 6. Review and adjust. A study plan is not set in stone. Regularly review your progress and make adjustments as needed. You don't have to go it alone. There are various tools and resources that can help you stay on track. Timers and apps. Use tools like Pomodoro timers to help manage your study sessions. Flashcards. They are great for vocabulary and quick revisions. Practice tests. Periodically take practice tests to gauge your progress. Here are some pitfalls you should steer clear of. Procrastination. Don't delay your studies. Stick to your plan. Overloading. Don't try to cover everything at once. Break it down. Ignoring weaknesses. If you're not good at something, don't ignore it. Work on it. And there we have it. Developing a study plan is like setting up a GPS for your test preparation journey. It won't just get you to your destination. It'll get you there efficiently. I hope this video has been helpful, and I wish you all the very best in your test preparation. Until next time, keep learning.